Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. If you're a subscriber or a regular watcher, not subscribed, decided to change the name of my channel. I was going over videos and lots of videos and realized I'm all over the place. But everything I do revolves around the outdoors. Even if it's cooking something in the garage, it came from the outdoors. So I decided that'd probably be more fitting, and plan on doing a lot more adventures and share some skills I know. I was lucky enough growing up to be saturated in information from people I grew up with, old trappers and cowboys, and many nights camping, building skills that I took for granted, and now realize that there's a lot of people that don't know these things. And I just grew up with it, not knowing any different. So as we move along, I'll help or share what I know in a few bushcrafting, as they call it, or things like that, which growing up it was just camping. We camped for weeks, so we built camp. We didn't know we were actually doing a bushcraft thing. So be a lot of hunting, fishing, a lot of bow fishing coming up. I think my wife's going to join me on some adventures, and I don't know, we'll make some stuff together, show you how to make like a boreal anorak wool shirt. It's pretty easy. If you've got thumbs, or even if not, you can do it. If anybody's done it before, you can do it too. That's my theory. So hang in there if you're new. Subscribe if you want. It's going to be fun. I'm not looking to get a career off of YouTube. I mean, if you're going to do that right now, everybody knows that'd be like opening a clothespin repair business right now. I don't think it would take off. But so if you want to join along for some adventures, learn how to do a few things, go ahead and subscribe. Might be fun. So just out doing some small game hunting with the bow. I'm a longbow builder, but it's not my career. I'm a carpenter. But started doing videos just for fun. Share some stuff. So anyway, that's that. I'm going to keep hunting. So it's been in the sub-zero temperatures, and the snow and everything's just melted off. This is kind of cool. This is wild mustard garlic. I've been hiding under the leaves. There's still some wild edibles out here. Pretty cool. If you don't know anything about wild mustard garlic, it's actually an invasive species that was brought here to North America. But another cool thing I just learned on another guy's channel is that I didn't know is it's really prevalent where white-tailed deer live. Their digestive system, as they eat it, if I understand right, helps spread it. But it's kind of a self-controlling weed, so in about 30 years or so it'll die back. But the bad thing about it is it takes the nutrients out of the ground that grows edible fungi and mushrooms. So, kind of cool. If you find wild mustard garlic, there's deer there. Something to know. So here's a deer bed. You can see the leaves are all compressed down. And there's some wild garlic mustard. Go figure. Yeah, baby. .30-yard shot. Now I gotta get my arrows that I missed the first few times way down there. Oish. The ground's pretty slick and frozen. I can do it. Yeah. There she is. Whew. Oh. My other one's way across over there. Gotta get it. Briars and thickets. Oh, that hurt. Yeah. Alright. Now I get to head way back up there. That was worth it. A little slick. So like I was saying before, stick with us. Might never know what you're going to see. That was fun.